Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, it's Rutaba. Welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw and color the Doraemon. So let's get begin. I take the light blue color for the Doraemon dress and hat. Let's color the Doraemon together. Now I color the stone of the Doraemon with yellow. Let's color the Doraemon belt with red. Now I color his mouth with red. Are you guys enjoying coloring with me? The Doraemon is almost ready. Let's color his nose with red. Awesome!
Oh wow!
If you like this video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.